Hi, welcome back to our channel. Back to the update for SQL. Today we are going to continue the session that is called PL/SQL data types, Boolean, and so on. The previous session I explained about what is PL/SQL and PL/SQL block and so on. When you want continuity, please kindly subscribe and check the playlist. If you have doubt, you can communicate in the social media. When you like this channel, please subscribe and share with your friends. Let's cover session today. So data types are already you have idea about C programming, where we can say about what you can say here. Yeah, so I had about data types in SQL and so on. Today we're going to see exclusive how we can use PLSQL data types. Later we can see the examples also. So data types, generally data types, what will happen when we are using data types, it always define how the data will be stored, handled and treated by Oracle during the data storage and processing. Moreover, these are associated with these are connected with a specific storage format and range constraints also. Moreover, the difference between PL/SQL and SQL data types what means the SQL data type are limited to the table column, while the PL/SQL data types are used in the PL/SQL blocks. So this is a general image showing the types. So it considers scalar, composite, reference, and LOB, where scalar connected with consist of numeric, character, Boolean, datetime, interval. Here composite consists of PLS integer, binary, binary float, let's say binary double number. Reference don't have anything. Here LOB consists of file, blob, CLOB, NCLOB. Now we see one by one. So PL SQL character data type, number data type, Boolean data type, date data type, and LOB data type. We are going to say very important thing because when you start the practical session, you can easily understand why and how we are using, how it's useful. So first one, character type, PL SQL character type here. It basically stores alphanumeric characters in the string format. Moreover, here it always encodes in a single quotes while assigning them the character data type. And here further it classifies as character data type, where character 2 data type, where character data type, and NCHAR, native fixed strings types. So we don't want to go very deeply here. Let's understand the basic things. Data we see. And number data type, here number type data type always, here the data type, this data type store fixed or floating point numbers up to 38 digits of precision only. Moreover, a number you can say we can say like this, a number of 8 comma 2 be another, we can say number of 8 and c number like that. Let's see the syntax explanation. I'm again repeating SQL PL different only. So PL SQL we had to consider and remember the data type very clearly. So here what you can understand from here, the first declaration says variable a is of number data type with a total precision 8 and decimal digits 2, and another second declaration says here variable b is of number data type with a total precision 8 and no decimal digits, remember. And another last one says here number data type with no restriction in precision or decimal places, because it always take up to the maximum 38 digits by default. And next is Boolean data type, where it store always logical values. You have idea about means Boolean logical values here, and here need not enclose with while assigning this data type, and where one Boolean and syntax is explanation. And here variable 1 is declared as a Boolean data type, and the output of the code will be either true or false based on the condition set. And data type, here it stores values in data format as a date, month and year, and here it follow the formation like this format, like the new year date is called 1 Jan 2025, and current date you can say syndicate date, like system date like this. So what you can understand here new year is declared as a date data type and assign the value of January 1st 2025, and declares the variable current as date data type and assign the value with current system date. So this information now here. And LOB data type, yes, this is also one of the category of PLSQL data type, where it's always helpful to store and manipulate large blocks of unstructured data like images, multimedia files, and so on. And here we can say long data type also. And here there will be a lot of advantage when you go for usage of this LOB data type. Here you can store up to the size of 120 terabytes, blob, CLOB, and NCLOB, and B file. The upcoming session will discuss the examples and how to execute everything. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you.